The Green Tech Foundation Meghalaya, an environmental organization, conducted an awareness program and training on environmental issues on 16 January 2021 at Asanang, West Garo Hills district on the conservation and preservation of the environment in the wake of a global pandemic and for future generations. The program was attended by the Nokma of Asanang village, Mrs. Rosalind Marak, as chief guest, and the Secretary of Asanang village, Mr. Peter Marak, as guest of honor. Other village dignitaries were also present during the program. The program further held discussions and training for the youth of West Garo Hills district on various environmental issues prevailing today. Speaking on the occasion were H. Bansiudon Nonglang, Chairman, Green Tech Foundation, Sandam Marak, local eco-entrepreneur, recipient of the Chief Minister's E-Cham Award, Savio Marak, local eco-entrepreneur, Ritre Lingdo, Coordinator IC Green Tech Foundation, Peter Marak, Secretary Asanang Village, West Garo Hills, Rosalind Marak, Nokma, Asanang Village, West Garo Hills, Bandifil Marak, Volunteer Green Tech Foundation, Chikan Marak, Volunteer Green Tech Foundation. Various areas of environment issues were held in the presence of a local self-help group of Asanang Village, West Garo Hills district.
How do you dispose it properly? And how to keep our mother nature clean. So first and foremost, if we have to talk about the environment,